Hey everyone, let's unbox with me. So just I received this parcel from Purple and I thought why not make an unboxing video. And you know what? Even though we all are grown up now, the excitement of opening a parcel never really fades, right? So this time I ordered a skincare product. First is this freebie which I got is a face cream, and being clumsy I can never do anything without dropping something. Anyway, here's an eyeliner from NYB. It's been so long since I bought an eyeliner. Next is a makeup fixer, which I am trying for the first time because even a little makeup on my face makes me sweat a lot. Then we have the Good Vibes Tea Tree face wash, which suits me really well and I am using from a long time. I also got its toner to match with the face wash. Then there's the Tea Tree face gel, and instead of a face scrub I accidentally ordered a face mask and got scammed by myself, which I realized after seeing the parcel. And lastly this nail pen which looks super pretty. So yeah, that's all. See you in the next one. Bye bye.